What's up everyone, quick video on the W203 Mercedes with the Bose sound system. If you're not getting any sound, here's a quick tip. When you guys are doing the install, when you take out the CD player, make sure there's a fiber optic cable in here. Make sure you don't install one of these right here. The problem with that is you're not gonna get any sound. That's where I was about to give up, and then I realized when you connect the there's a blue converter box you need for the Bose system, right? Make sure you plug it right into the fiber optic cable that comes into here, disconnect it from here, and you have one of these, and just hook it up straight to the connector that you have, and then you should get sound. If you put the loop there, you're not gonna get any sound. So hopefully that helps.